a lot of women are not in love with man. It's only what they can get from the man. Why they're still there. You hear what I said? And a lot of you women, we are this some men. And I can't talk about how me no want you because you this and you that. Where you have? Where you have? Me I talk to you women. Well, love style some man. Me no want you boy because you don't have nothing. Where you have? What do you have? Me no want no boy when I work. How you working? Me no want no man that can give me this. What do you have to give to him? And the first time in a them days there, when you believe say your crutches can't keep him, or you believe you have a child for him that I go hold him, then the days they don't pit in a old man again. You hear what I said? You breed 6-7 year time and he still go to road grind down upon you. Pick me now old man again. Make the man them tell you what's gonna hold them now. So when you not gonna have talk about, oh, me no want no mankind now work, you walking? Me no want him because he not have nothing to give me. Why you want to give? The man where you right off today can have nothing. Tomorrow he can be the one to give you everything. Be careful how people tell you, left that person or talk to that person, because today no listen to me, tongue and tongue meet. And sometimes the person were meant for you and him go through the worst. Where you even yourself at times are going to say, listen, me done, me no want you, me done. Nothing good come easy. A lot of you go come talk, oh, this and that. Some of you women need to go and tap this some man. Go! When man used to mind woman, you know, hear nothing but as soon as a woman a help a man, oh yeah, an idiot. So the man a idiot for mind you. A man used to take woman a foreign. And now if a woman take you an idiot, you take him up a foreign and this and that. Man suck out woman suck out man. The only thing a man can do a abortion. But much abortion woman do for the and give all them man jacket. Live with them man and then give your jacket, go give them man.